Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up your own landing page on HubSpot. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I am on my dashboard on my HubSpot account, and to create my landing page, I need to first navigate to the content page. Now, to do so, just go over here to the left and search for the content, tab, which is right over here. As you can see, right under the bookmark check, it is the fourth from the top. And once we're here, as you can see, we have website pages and landing pages. We're just going to click on landing pages. Now from here, as you can see, you can start from AI or start from scratch. I like starting from scratch. You can set up your website URL and page name. I'll just name it test1. Click create page. And now once we do that, it's going to take us to the editor. You can select a theme if you want. I'll just select this one as my active theme just because it doesn't really matter. Then you can search for other templates and I'll select the blank one. Now, once you're in your blank one, you can then start setting up your landing page. As you can see, this is a smart tutorial or a small tutorial or step-by-step guide for using the page editor. Really doesn't matter, but what you can do here is just go for modules over here and you can set up anything you want. Now, for example, I'll add a heading over here as a module, and the heading text will be this is a landing page, and that should be good enough. And for some reason, I'm not sure why it's not displaying as it should, so let me try and apply changes, and now it is actually displaying how it should. And as you can see, we have our header here, our footer here, and this is global content. As you can see, it shows up on all pages, and this here is the main thing that you're going to be editing. This is where you're going to be adding your landing page text. Landing pages are pretty much just pages that don't connect to any other pages on your site, which is simply a page for preparation, pretty much like an under construction sort of thing. And yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do. Then once you're done, you just need to publish it, and a page title is required, and I'm not sure exactly where that goes, but once you add that, then you'll be able to set up your landing page and publish it. And that is basically it. Let me just change this to here, and that should add, where do I edit the page title? Okay, there we go, test1. That should be it. And now the domain selected doesn't support advanced features, so I can't publish it anyway, but that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.